Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up Make.com email attachments. To begin, open Make and go to your dashboard. This is where you'll create and manage your automation scenarios. If you're new to Make, a scenario is simply a workflow made up of modules connected together to perform specific actions. In this case, we're preparing a setup that helps handle email attachments more effectively. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Create Scenario. This opens a blank scenario canvas where you can start building your automation. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right workspace before continuing, especially if you manage multiple projects. Next, on the Scenario Builder screen, click on Flow Control. This section contains tools that help you organize, split, or repeat data as it moves through your workflow. Flow Control is especially useful when you need to process multiple items one at a time, which is often the case with email attachments. After opening Flow Control, look for the Iterator module and click on Iterator. The iterator is used to take a collection of items and break it into individual pieces. In practical terms, if an email contains multiple attachments, the iterator allows Make to process each attachment separately instead of treating them all as a single group. That makes your automation much more flexible and reliable. From here, follow the on-screen procedure shown in the setup. This part is where you'll configure the iterator based on the data coming from your email step. As you go through it, pay close attention to which field contains the attachment array. Selecting the correct input here is important because it tells Make exactly what list of items should be split and processed one by one. If something doesn't look right, pause and double-check the mapping before moving forward. A small mistake in this area can affect the rest of the scenario. Once everything is configured and you've completed the on-screen setup, click Save. Saving confirms your changes and keeps your scenario configuration in place. It's a good habit to save as soon as you finish a module, especially when working through longer automations. At this point, your iterator setup for handling email attachments is in place. This gives you a strong foundation for the rest of your scenario and helps ensure each attachment can be handled individually in later steps. Thanks for following along, and that's how to set up Make.com email attachments.